the war there in Miami. Remember, I'm not talking about no New York, no blood clot Philly, no England, no this and not that. Me talk about in Miami, blood clot Florida, one me blood clot there, and a death of my thing there. Cause suck on the mother from one to all. Yeah. Cause suck on the mother. Me not no friend in this. Me will fight my one blood clot buckle. Me a real bad girl. And that me know. Me do say. Me got anyone that go to a fun. I kill all my best friend too. And that me a blood clot make on know too. Yeah, me friend kill on the blood clot too. When it's come out from a blood clot name. Why? Hold on. Blood clot girl, yeah. Me not call no England girl, no New York girl, no girl. Me I represent for one blood clot. Any girl want war with me. Who am I there? I don't give a fuck. I have my crew, my clink, ding, 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 blood. What the fuck? Gang, I don't give a fuck. I'm ready for war with any pussy girl. Get on to that. I'm here, everybody. On a depot on my name, I'm not fuck with you know. So anyone I don't know. On a one cash tweet, on a 10 cash tweet, I don't give a fuck. If cash you know what, talk to me, I'm good. That's my blood that thing there. Come here, real body in a real fucking life. Me not with the blood clot, me I do life yet to check on that. Me I tell you for one the blood clot be ever back. And so my blood clot tell me, yo, this put out of my blood clot house. Yeah, like, but I know when bitch I fuck with me all day. So when the blood clot here touch fuck alone, man. You know what? Mr. Make the back long take man. All day the girl them slump on my blood clot name. Yo, no go suck on my man. I want to shot one of you. Me will shot all my blood clot friend. And that's the blood clot thing. Go suck on the mother. When you come the fuck wrong with you, no man? Pussy wall. Una bad like me, clap me. Una bad like me. At me we kill out the I act like I'm a me no matter. And that's my baby gonna last blood clot pick me when me have. Pussy for my last baby when me have. You see the last blood clot baby when me have. Yo, I want to tell you now. You see my last one. So I'm calling today. And he said, hey, him don't know nothing about that. So him not gonna drive to state. To Florida want to come blood. Just bring it. Uno bring it. Uno blood clot bring it. I'm gonna show you. I'm have to do just make them drive blood clot through. And lay on make blood clot crime scene come. Go suck on the mother. You see? Me war. And think you can. Me a shoot a blood clot girl. And you first Christ. So you see, uno will live in England. You see, uno will live in Canada. You see, uno over there to live in New York. I push Florida people to come against me. Uno go make una family cry. Because just when me start walking inquiry where such and such live, me tell you no pussy una go dead. Una go dead. Pussy una go dead. You see when me live with my baby father, pussy me a gunshot whistle on my ears like me de Jamaica. Day and night. Pussy me call my baby father. He said no word, go suck on them. If a war for war, a war we go bring. So you see, one not push war. Una blood clot push war can you know what I do, you know. Una look for people into state to state. I una push blood clot cash screen for me for war. I mean, I make una bomber clot no say. If you will come to the test me and cash screen war, we have to go down that road there. But me now go down the road there because I show loyalty. And when I give people loyalty and people disrespect my loyalty, me go push blood clot gunshot and the pussy wall. Girl and boy, and me don't care. Me head sick. And when it chip, me no have no mercy. Because I said, I'm pull up at a club, I'm pull up somewhere, and a girl say, yo, you know what the fuck what you doing, you know. The pussy wall, you know what blood clot do, you know. Because you set me on cash screen for war. I mean, I try to avoid that. Me never tell cash screen don't fuck with you, know. Me never one day flood clot tell cash screen don't fuck with you, know. Ask cash screen. And this I get from bad to work, but you say cash screen use our blood clot head. Sister, use your head and don't let me hear you go down the road. Don't let me hear you go down the road. Because it's going to be bloody in fucking ladder deal. And I mean, no one that. I mean, I try my best and beg you, please. Me I go down on my bomber clot knee. Father God, turn on the light. Turn on the blood clot like me them see me on my knee. Yo, my daughter, turn on the light now, man. Turn on the light now. Yo, Poochie! Come turn on the blood clot like me them see. A real thing me a blood clot out. See the people, me then I not chatting me there on my knee. My knee, see it there. My knee a beg. It's gonna be blood clot, bloody. Bloody, 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 bloody. All on there. See it there, it's gonna be bloody. Bloody, bloody Mary. Bloody, bloody fucking Mary, bitch. Wanna leave me the fuck alone. Stop instigate shit. Because guess what, bitch? I don't give a fuck who society cash screen go on. But listen to me, bitch. I don't got no talking. And papers, bitch. I don't got no talking when I pull up in Lauderdale on any bitch. No fight, no stabbing. I'ma shoot the bitch. Straight up. And that's on point. And that's on period. That's on period. So you want to listen to bitch and come against me, cash queen? I'm on it. Period. And that's on point. This time, when you can't say puss, when you can't say this, when you can't say that, I'm talking for my fucking self. I'm talking for myself right now. Because I'm tired of this fucking shit. When you're trying to fucking instigate fucking shit, and I'm really upset. Because I'm sad when I know what the fuck I'm doing. I want to try to make me and Catherine go on war. But if Catherine want to do it, I'm on it. If she want to war, I'm on it. I'm a shoot a bitch. 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 And I'm not going to give a fuck. And that's a period. And I'm dead serious. I swear I'm my mama. I swear I'm a baby bitch. Who the fuck with me? I'm going for I'm a fucking baby daddy, son and fucking daughter, gang member bitch on her ass. Bitch, you don't know shit about me. You see my fucking little girl father? He's all fucking kids them in gang. It's all kids them. I have to say the fucking word and it's done. It's fucking done. It's done. It's done. Because I'm trying to be loyal. I'm trying to be the bunny. I'm trying to be a real friend. But Una bitches don't see it. Una don't see it. And this time, Pussy's not on my platform. This is my fucking platform. And I'm saying what the fuck I say. Because I'm a real G. I'm a real bitch. I'm a Capricorn December hoe. When I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do something, bitch. I'm going to pull up, bitch. I'm going to pull up. And I'm going to let go, bitch. And long as you dead and I go to fucking jail, I'm okay, bitch. Because I lay a body. I lay a body and I don't give a fuck. Because these bitches, they know what the fuck they doing. These bitches, they know what the fuck they doing. You don't understand. I know what going down. I bitch want to play with it. They know what the fuck going on and they know what going down. Because let me tell you something. A real bitch gonna know what the fuck going on. I'm not fucking stupid, bitch. I'm on it. I'm really on it, bitch. I'ma pop out your ass, bitch. You got me fucked up. I'ma not make no bitch beat me. I'm not gonna be no fight. I'm a shoot a bitch. Cause I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I'm trying to be loyal to people. When people don't loyal to themselves. Fuck wrong with a pussy asshole. Wanna think I'm nothing to fucking play with? You think I'm something to play with? These bitches know what the fuck they doing. Between me and Cash Queen. Susie live in Florida. I'm 10, 15 minutes away from Cash Queen. So I'ma set Cash Queen and Susie. But if me and Cash Queen gotta go down there, I'ma shoot a bitch. Straight up. And I swear my mama. I swear my mama when my mama died, bitch. Because I love my mama, bitch. I love my mama. And you want me to go down that, I'm going to go down there. Because this time when I can't say puss telling me, because I don't talk to fucking puss all day. But I sit on the live and see when the bitch is trying to instigate shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Because all of them the bitches live in different states. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to set up the bitch because you know I'm from Florida Lauderdale. Cascade from Florida Lauderdale. So what do you want to do? Or Susie talk to fucking you rough and Miss Bling live. Right? And you know what the fuck I'm doing. But I'm going to let you on the host know I'm not no pussy. Just like if I met all on you in real fucking life, I'm a shot on the ass. I'm a shot one on the ass because guess what, bitch? I'm not in no fucking fighting to get tired. So when my head click, I'm going to do shot on the fucking head and go to fucking jail and go do my time. So I do the crime I supposed to can do the fucking time. Suck on the mother. Suck on the mother and then my family could get my fucking kids. Period. Do not on that shit. Do not want to go down that fucking road. But do not want to go down that fucking road with me. Because guess what, bitch? I called my baby daddy today. I said, babe, this war is going on and it's not stopping. No, they're trying to put this bitch against me and me and she is friends. But I see no loyalty and no bridging because some bitches don't know friend and loyalty. So I'm like, if me and Catherine gotta go down the road, we gonna go down there. Because I'm not no scary bitch. I'm a fire my gun. I'm a fire bitch. I don't give a fuck. And listen, we're gonna go.
If any bitch wanna come, I'm calling my baby daddy crew, bro. My baby daddy, son, fucking Yankee ass crew. Cause they stay strapped. They kill every day. And I don't give a fuck. If I go to prison, they can record me. Because I say it every day. I don't care. I don't give a fuck, but none of the bitches, as long as they don't kill me, none of the bitches not gonna kill me like Tani. No, I'm not going down. What? I'm not gonna be the one in the fucking freezer, bitch. No fucking way, ho. I'm not gonna be in the fucking freezer. So, bitch, I already know what Una wanna do. Una instigated shit, and she always tell you, Cash Queen, you could fuck with them. I always said you could fuck with them girls. Right? Them bitch don't really believe what I'm saying. Them hoes like really don't believe. They don't believe that I really mean it. Here, ego when I pacify. Give me some water. Cause I'm okay. So this gonna go like that. Hold on. So it gonna, and I'm a fucking table. I don't give a fuck about Cash Queen right now at this point. And I don't give a fuck what none of the bitches say because I'm bipolar in real fucking life. I respect Cash Queen and I love her from my heart. People don't get me wrong. And I'm tired of being loyal. Because listen, let me put it down. Keiko and all of the bitches trying to rub Cash Queen in. Because guess what? Let me tell you how smart I am. Oh no, Keiko, I don't know where the fucking Florida you live. But if you have the courtesy to drop your address and your info, I don't care to drive a fucking mile for you, Keiko. I'm gonna find you, but you're not gonna know when the fuck I'm coming. And that's on period. I'm dead serious, bitch. Me and my goon, they coming for your asshole. Number one, Nicole, you in New York. You in fucking New York. I'm not gonna chance that. I would, but on some blood clot informer. Cash Queen, let me tell you something about you now. Because let me tell you something about you now. Close the door, get her out. Baby girl, I'm doing me right now. You're with me at Cash Queen party right now. Because that's what I said. I'm bipolar. When my head click, it click, bitch. And that shit is on paper. Number one, these O's, they know me and Cash Queen is from. So this is what they say. I'm going to Cash Queen head to get to Suzie. And when Cash Queen lash out and Suzie lash out, we gonna see what Suzie gonna do. But Cash Queen, I'm telling you, baby girl, stop make these bitches they instigate you. Because if they instigate you, I'ma lay you down, mama. I'm dead ass serious. This is why I try to make me and you get along. Me and you get along. And I told you, I said, get the fuck out of this war. Number one, I don't talk to Puss all fucking day, so nobody can tell me Puss instigate me to come do this. I'm my own blood clot woman. I'm a fake page. I'm watching all day. I don't know who let fucking Keiko out of the blood clot cause today. That she industry na influence blood clot Cash Queen. What? Keiko, if me and you didn't have the same blood clot city, you wouldn't even talk to me. You wouldn't even say nothing from would I kick your blood clot door in. And that me and make you know I murder you, your husband, and the whole of the blood clot family. I go tell the police because that is a threat. Go suck your mother. Because I'm tired of you know, feel like I'm bad on the blood clot internet. So one I do not use Cash Queen against me. And you may tell you, if my head click and Cash Queen talk to me too hard, me I go fire my gun. Straight, I'm a non-blood clot is it here. Because listen, on the set, me this are probably Hold on, I'm calm down. People, let me calm down. Please give me some time because me a premeditate right now. Because me know what them gal they do. Them gal they set up me and blood clot cash screen for God. And them know say me all about it. Cause me now go back. I want it now back. Me now back. So what them do? Suzie talk to you some type of way, Miss Bling. No, I did not. When she called Miss Bling, I said, leave post alone. If you feel some type of way, cash screen, I'm apologize to you. I'm going to leave you. I'll go down between it. You and post have to go between war. May I get out of it and may I adjust my back. Me and you and post war because I cannot control it. I don't know for war, for some reason. Or you get in this war and you and post in this war, only you and post know. So when me I go blood clot, me I go adjust and come out of that. Me I go back my blood clot. Me big and bad out of this war between you and post. Me try to control it. So when I go do the blood clot thing right. You and post I go do the blood clot thing. Me not have nothing to do with this right now. You see a little post. We are instigate your cash queen and give a Red Bull to come at me and not be. Because I try my best and show you like everybody know on Instagram say me love to show loyalty. And just watch me go down on my knee. I'm go down on my knee in my bedroom. I'm go down on my knee. I'm go down on my knee. I swear to God. So you see when they up and you have to talk to me in Florida, it's gonna be on point. Either you go buy a license gun for me or go report it to the police. Because if your cash queen, I'm gonna shoot you. Straight up. Because they make them girl they come in your head and I break the loyalty between you know so my head no good. And it's a chip. Because it's no way me talk to you on blood clot, Miss Bling. Me love you gone to earth. Even the blood clot dirt where you walk upon me, the cherish. If a girl this in a blood clot Florida, I'm going to tell you every day when you see me get upset and walk cry. I can't catch you know. So now no blood clot no, because me and nobody in a war, I told you call me. I'm going to kill on a blood clot today. Blood clot. Some day England, some day Canada, some day blood clot New York. So nobody, that's why me a cash queen. If you want to pick your blood and prove that you're bad with me, just do it. Because I'm ready. It's no blood clot turning back. Because when my kids walk to the door, I say some shit about God. Shit about go down. Either you got my bonds money for any job a location and call out me not back. Prefer go to prison go eat three meals of blood clot. Yeah. Let me drink some water and calm down. Me say people man not shake. Me go eat 3 meals of blood clot there. But me now go down, R.I.P. Rest in peace, mama. Me now go down like Tanny. See, them girl, them a snake, on a wicked. So on give cash green Red Bull for drink for BadgalSuzie. On give cash green Red Bull for come off a blood clot me. Because me don't know what more loyalty you want on to see me give. On the on Instagram. I tell cash keys, me never talk to post, go suck on no mother lie. Me tell post say, it's cash queen. Don't talk, don't. Listen at it one day. And you know what? I'm going to tell you why I'm mad. Because post has a big blood clot woman. Me and her talking at the Suzie. Me I go give you loyalty, cash queen. Me I go respect blood clot cash queen because of you. Just like what she tell blood clot down. Right? Me know when me on blood clot post say. I'm say to blood clot post. Me say post down this cash screen in my face. This cash screen, me have no loyalty to cash screen. Right? But me know blood clot because when you do it for me and stay go down there so. And it no work. So when I get cash screen if it come off from a bumper cloud, but it's not gonna work because I'm not the one who I go down. Miss Susie now dog. Me I go jam 3 meals a day. Yeah, 3 blood clot meals a day. Me dead serious people. Because they say this need to stop it, you know. If somebody in a dead out of war gonna done. Because this war cry blood, 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 Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary. But I'm not gonna be the Mary. Mama tell you, anybody talk to can type this blood clot pipe. I say I respect Cash Queen every day. I say me and Cash Queen we living at the same roundabout. Cash Queen only far from me. And to a blood clot nightclub, Cash Queen have to buck up on your buck up in now. The 2 hours we are gonna meet face to face. So you see what them gyal do? Them a instigate Cash Queen. If say you're loyal to me blood clot for real. And me I try to tell her every day. Me even reach to the point you could ask Cash Queen. Me say, Cash Queen, you can fuck with those girls until you find out who them is. Me never tell Cash Queen one day, don't talk to Nicole. Don't talk to Kim. Don't ask Cash Queen. Say yes. Me tell her that. Me said use your own woman. You're capable to talk. Cash Queen, you push your own key, you drive your own car, you could talk to anybody you want to talk to. It just only thing don't make them push me and your loyalty over the bridge. And don't pour me name my bed blood clot side tonight. I swear to God. Cash Queen even the dirt. Can't let the souls some girl there the blood clot club. And me I go say drop the location. Look at camera there the mama. And if the girl them walk out, beat my gunshot off for them blood clot for you. That loyalty because of some crack. Women don't know what this Nazareth dirty blood girl when their mother and father have blood clot pussy and the 2 of them fuck together. Blood clot dirty Puerto Rican girl when a blood clot Jamaican fi come fight against the 2 Jamaican. And why you say Cash Queen? What kind of blood clot thing that you come off it? You don't know some head with blood clot chip. Only things that me are going like blood clot, honey. Make girls come shoot off on me dead. Me gonna name the blood clot government Ford. That girl know what them a do. Them know what them a do. Can't call the wall I wanna do. Because me a blood clot Cash Queen living at the same blood clot city. Me head up. Oh God, them don't know them no. I want my blood clot TV. No, I want yo. No one yo no bomba. Yo no know me. On me. Pussy all my baby father. Pitney them a gun man. Them a gun girl. That's why I'm not there with him. My baby father, I'm not want him because I'm not too much blood clot wrong. Him son a gang member. And daughter them a gang Miami. And him daughter come like a blood clot man. She'd fire like a blood clot pussy wall man. Me not like that's why I'm rough out of my blood clot baby father. Oh, no one know my business. Because I couldn't stop here the gunshot them. We are finding the blood clot yard them every day. And blood clot police them come every day. Put stop it. At 5 years, we live in a one blood of your gunshot. And I said, me gun, I say, oh, you deal with this. Why? Because in blood clot pitney them in a pitney them in a gang and I run out of my father relationship. Because I say, me nah go in there and my people come kill me, so. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, like a blood clot Jamaica, you there. You think some calm me baby? You know say some real blood. Because them know say Cash Queen in the same state. Susie, but this other bitch them instigate now. Was on my fake page watching everything. Oh, you know she talked to you some type of way. But 8 weeks ago, them let her rehab. Oh, but you hear how she talked to you when Miss Blinga live though. Right? Because I'm trying to tell my Bridget what me know in a real life. So me not know who no post it, y'all. 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 I'm want to kill. Only not know life. So now is this she. And then forget me and she have a war in Florida. I'm going to tell you, I'm not going down. Me are the one who are going to eat the in a prison. Because I'm told to instigate her. Post get at it. Ask post. Post can come out from blood. Hold on, people. Hold on, the people. My phone I got dead. Wait there. Wait there, people. Yeah. You know much blood clot time I say post. Leg queen. She said, Susie, me I go show loyalty. Me I go Lego Cash Queen. And over there to the attack. How you know say Susie talk to Post? Post can come out for live and tell us a lot of times say Lego Cash Queen. Me not chat girl. Me not want a body. Me not chat to no girl. If anything's point and it's just me. Because you see me when me take my liar till way too far. You understand me? Some girl talk about gunman and killer. Me back again. Me do all of my baby father picking them a killer. Them a Yankee killer. Me talk some deep blood clot shit them on. Me about pull up on crime scene. And that's why I'm running from the pussy wall. Blood clot wrongs on me. You mad? I wanna in Cash Queen so me talk to her and this upon Blitz Bling live. When? I saw me talk. All me for this blood clot big woman. Because you know instigate the blood clot what for you know some Cash Queen live in a same city. Wanna know that? Wanna blood clot no one had. Wanna try from every corner today. For instigate to come war with me. Wanna don't know me. Go down palm me on my bedside and begging, you know. Say it'll be bloody Mary. It'll be a bloody because guess what you do now? You fuck with bitches split justice, you know. And I swear to God, God can't left Cash Queen. And Cash Queen says, pussy Susie, me no dep on Cash Queen right now. Cash Queen is not. And that dusty blood over there try everything dirty blood clad, coke out, cake up, blood clad, cake up. What them just blood clad release from Cash Queen. Oh, you have to make blood clad instigate bomb for my name. Yo, you see when you fuck on the lower for my name for today. On the lower, me go up and me go name the blood clot bologna and bread sandwich and go on my bed. And when them say clad head coat, me just snap like a soldier. Because me now got blood clot going on a fridge. They say this a warrior can't done. And that's why me tell Cash Queen from first in a warrior. Right? You go for you talk boy, you miss Blinga.